kids. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper cup. The materials you're going to need are 1 scissor and 1 sheet of paper. The finished product is going to look something like this. So now what we're trying to do here is, we're trying to make a square. So to do that, you're going to take this end and fold it. Make sure it gets aligned. Like that. Next, the rectangle at the bottom, you're just going to fold it the other way. Like that. Next, you're just going to unfold the rectangle, and there should be a line there. You're just going to cut on the line. Okay, once you've done that, keep the triangle folded as a triangle. You're just going to take the end and fold it to the line and give it a little crease. Next, you're going to take this one and make sure it's perfectly aligned with the other one. So it should look like this. Next, you should see 2 flaps at the top. You're going to take the first one and fold it inwards. Like that. Next, you're going to flip it over and fold the other one the same way. Like that. Once you've done that, you're just going to open the cup, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out my other videos, like and subscribe. Bye.